Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase neighborhood appeal with Douglas Elliman, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, assess the current state of your neighborhood. Take a walk through your area and identify what stands out. Note the strengths and weaknesses of your environment. Gather feedback from neighbors about what they love and what they would like to improve. Consider connecting with local community groups to discuss potential projects. Plan a community cleanup day to enhance public spaces. Encourage residents to maintain their properties by organizing a neighborhood pride initiative. Explore options for enhancing curb appeal, such as landscaping or decorative signage. Create a neighborhood Facebook group or forum for sharing ideas and updates. Utilize social media to showcase successful community events or improvements. Research local events, farmers markets, or festivals to participate in and promote. Host regular gatherings, such as block parties, to foster community connections. Promote art and culture by encouraging local artists to display their work. Collaborate with local businesses to sponsor events or offer discounts to residents. Invest in making common areas more attractive through art installations or benches. Create a neighborhood directory to connect residents with local services and businesses. Evaluate potential zoning changes or urban improvements with local government officials. Consider forming a neighborhood association to advocate for collective interests. Keep the momentum going by regularly updating residents on progress and initiatives. Celebrate successes together to further strengthen community bonds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.